people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha and you consider subscribing and everything, and आज थोड़ा video different होने वाला है and every time I post a different sort of video my energy is different. मतलब बहुत सारे wedding seasons भी आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत से अभी invitations आने वाले हैं, तो glow up is a must, okay? And you are seeing me after the glow up. The makeup was gliding on my skin so properly because I've done a very detailed skincare routine yesterday for skincare as well as hair care and every sort of care. So first thing first, I just thought that let's start with nails because that's a very important part of our body. We don't really pay much attention to it. I am obsessed with having like painted nails and trim nails all the damn times.
Quickly show you the process. Now this is the nail condition right now. I'm going to remove it with the help of a remover obviously, and then I want to apply something that actually suits all the looks for my Diwali. So I'm going off with this brown, chocolate brown sort of color, and I know you guys ask me all the damn time where did I get this from. I'll try to link a similar color, and when I got done with it I tried to clean it properly from all the sides so that it gives a good look, and there you go.
And also skincare is definitely the key. Skincare is actually what we talk about when we say like glow up. And by glow up I don't mean कि ऐसा कोई जादू हो जाएगा, but you do glow ups for yourself, you do glow up for your skin, and when your skin and hair and everything feels good, it automatically, you know, you feel good and automatically you have a good confidence. You know, like I put up so much work on myself and you really feel nice.
So let's start with a raw face over here, and for the first step I'm going to do cleansing, and for that I'm going to use the Mamaearth Aqua Glow face wash. And I love the fact that it has that brush sort of thingy, so when you use that brush on your skin it actually cleanses it out really deeply. And mostly I love the Mamaearth range that has this brush sort of feature in the face wash itself, and you can already see that it has cleansed it so properly. And now moving to the face scrub. I made the scrub at home with coconut oil and sugar. If you want you can also add sugar, but when you add sugar it actually makes it really harsh for the skin, and I don't really like that. In case you have like really small granules then it's fine, and I'm mostly concentrating in my nose area. I want that to be really clean. Now you can see that my skin actually feels really plump and soft when I touch it. I love this. Is my favorite step. Now moving on to shaving the face, I'm going to take this aloe vera gel which I'm going to apply it in all the areas where I'm going to shave now, and then taking a razor I'm going to actually clean the razor to make sure everything is nice and clean with a micellar water, and then I will start shaving it exactly the 90-degree angle, and in the downwards direction I'm going to do it. And after I complete the whole step, also guys, if you want you can use aloe vera gel after doing the shaving as well. It cools down the skin really properly in case this is your last step. And as you can see, this is a lot of hair. It does not look like it is a lot, but you can see a clear texture of the skin. And now moving on to the face mask, I'm taking it from the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. I love the texture of this one. It works really nicely and it actually calms down my skin, so I am purposely using it because abhi maine razor use kiya hai, so after that it would soothen out the skin. Now I'm taking this cloth piece which is all wet and I'm trying to clean out the whole face, and here you go. It's so nicely and freshly done. I feel really nice. Last, moving to the Mamaearth Hydrating Face Moisturizer, and the consistency of this one is so pretty. You can already see it's so hydrating. It makes my skin look glass like in the light. It's really hydrating and it's really lightweight as well. Now moving on to the lip balm, which is going to be the last step. I'm using the Plum Candy Mills lip balm, and it has a slight red tint which looks so cute. And there you go. I am done with all of the steps. I enjoyed it so much and I'm going to do it much often.
So I've just freshly rinsed my hair just right now because I'm going to get into the hair care part, and I'm going to start with a hair mask. If you want you can also apply the hair mask after shampooing. In fact on Google it says that you should do it after shampooing, but still if you want to apply it before shampoo then you can have to like dampen, like rinse your hair properly and then apply it below, like in the ends of your hair. Plum avocado hair mask, and I've been using it for quite a long time. This has been my constant when it comes to hair mask. So now I'm going to take a very good amount of this thing and apply it nicely all over my hair. I need to move your fingers like this so that it actually gets into every portion, every part of the hair. So आपको हाथ से ऐसे, you have it all over my hair. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a bun over here, and that would help us set it, and I'm going to keep it for almost 20 to 30 minutes.
So after 30 minutes of keeping the mask, I'm going to rinse it all off like this, and then moving on to the shampoo, I'm going to use the Nude Carrot Seed Hair Shampoo. As you can see, it's so of a runny consistency, so I'm going to take a lot of amount of it, and then I'm going to lather it all up just like so, and it creates a lot of foam and everything. I like to go for 2 rounds of shampoo, to be honest, to make sure it's really clean. Now next, moving on to the conditioner from the same brand, that is Nude, of the Carrot Seed range itself, and you can see that this is such a creamy consistency, but when I apply it to the hair, it literally vanishes, so it looks like I've not applied anything, but I've done. And then I'm rinsing it all off, and that's all with the hair care routine for today. And once I'm done with rinsing it all off, you can see how excited I feel right now, and that's it. Let's move on.
That was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of these like skincare hauls or anything like me doing skincare or glow ups or transformations and stuff like that, then you can definitely check this one out.